Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to make Vivaldi browser as your default web browser on Windows 10 PC. Vivaldi is a privacy-focused web browser, and if you prefer to set it as your default web browser, it is possible in Windows 10 with a few steps. Once you will make it default browser, whenever you will open any link in your Windows 10 PC, it will automatically open in Vivaldi browser. To make it default, first you need to click on this one start button. After that, click on this one settings. You can also press Windows plus I key on the keyboard to open this one settings app. Under Windows 10 settings, click on this one apps. After that, click on this one default apps in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to find this one web browser section and click on the browser option. In the pop-up, select Vivaldi, and from now onwards, Vivaldi will be your default web browser on your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.